Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, October 14th, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will say the Orchard Hollow Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow. Happy birthday today to Jude Riley and Mrs. Patterson. Here's our joke of the day.
Joke of the day, joke of the day. It's a party animal joke of the day. Woo! Hey, party animals, I've got a joke for you. Why do fish swim in salt water? 'Cause pepper makes them sneeze. Bye. And that's a party animal joke of the day. Woo!
Remember to be a good digital citizen today while you're online and reach higher to be your best. I'll be zooming around the school today looking to catch people being a good digital citizen. I hope it's going to be you today. Remember to stay on your schedule today. We start our classes today at 8:45 and we end at 11:45 with our closing meeting. Make it a great day, Huskies.